Okay, so let's talk the New Jersey inheritance tax. New Jersey is one of the few states with inheritance tax, but it doesn't affect everyone. Let me explain. So, the tax itself is based off of your relationship between the decedent and the beneficiary. So, the relationship between the decedent or the beneficiary, aka the person who transitioned slash passed away, and the people who benefit, the beneficiary, the people who are the next of kin in the estate, or whoever is put in the will and or trust, right? So the tax itself is based on the relationship that you have with the person who passed. So spouse, children, and parents, for example, are exempt, off ripped from the New Jersey state inheritance tax, right? Siblings, nieces, and nephews, etc., however, might have to pay based on the amount that they inherit, right? So again, quick brief overview. The inheritance tax, if you are the spouse, children, the parents, you're exempt off rip, right? But if you're not, you may be taxed based on how much you inherit from the estate, right? Now, the tax rate varies, so I'm not going to really touch on that. I would urge you guys to seek out a tax professional, which I am not. I'm also not an attorney, but I am a guy who works with people in New Jersey going through the probate process and kind of like help them navigate and do all the non-legal tasks like real estate, which I am licensed to sell, right? So, but I'm not going to speak on all of the tax rate, but I do know based on my research that the first 25K is exempt, but the amounts after that are taxed, right? So, if this tax sounds like it applies to you, just know you have 8 months to apply to file from the date of the passing to avoid penalties on said tax. Now, again, this video just scratches the surface, but I just want to get you in the frame of mind of understanding the tax and kind of demystifying it and putting it into layman's terms. Now, again, I urge you to reach out to a tax professional to see if the tax applies to you. I have some articles down in the description that gives you further information on it. And again, reach out to a tax professional, reach out to an attorney, but just know that there is an inheritance tax. But for a lot of people who are inherited in the estate, they aren't going to get taxed on the estate, if that makes sense. Thank you guys for watching this short video, and reach out to me if you're thinking about selling a home that you recently inherited in said estate.